Hi guys, so I'm going to be setting this up as a premiere, so if you have any questions, just ask. Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're making a flatbread pizza crust with almond flour. For this you need 2 cups of almond flour, 2 eggs, a teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of Italian seasoning, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, pinch of salt, half a cup of your favorite low-carb pizza sauce, and of course 1 cup of mozzarella cheese, and any of your favorite toppings. Now I'm going to talk over the video because the original video that I've been posting these, what's been going on with these guys is a lot of people have been complaining because they can't hear my voice over the background music. So now that we're getting back on track with my weight loss, I'll be planning on making this again, and I'll refilm a new version of it. But anyways, get everything into a mixing bowl, and we're going to mix it up with a spatula, and then we're going to form pizza crust. And yeah, so this recipe comes to you from Max's Boot Camp, and I have their recipe and over the timeline on the Show More. And speaking of Show More, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. It definitely helps the channel and the YouTube knowing that I'm putting out good content. And yeah, so today is towards the end of the week, towards the end of the new month. I've been going over some older videos that I found, and I was trying to think about what and how did I lose a lot of weight over the course of the last 4 years. And of course, now that I'm gaining weight again, I want to go back to these type of meals again, because I gotten away from it there because everything started tasting good for me again. So I was just, and a lot of times you see me over here, I'm not even really measuring. I just eyeball everything. I've been doing this for so long now, I kind of like get an idea and just adding ingredients and stuff like that. So just mix it up the best you can in a bowl like that. And you know, when I first started my weight loss, I didn't want to even film anything for stuff that I was making, because it took me a long time to figure it out. And gee, should I talk over the video, not talk over the video? Should I just put music and that sort of thing? And yeah, so there's a thing already to make a pizza dough. So now that we got the pizza dough onto a parchment paper on a sheeting pan, and then of course it gives you issues like sometimes it gives me just put it on a flat countertop and do it that way. Now I'm going to try to form the pizza with my hands the best way I can. You can use a roller pin, but I was using a pizza jar for this particular recipe. And this is really great recipe. The only thing, the problem, but sometimes it's a little bit dry in the middle for some reason or other. But other than that, it was really pretty good, and it held its shape when I was eating it towards the end of the video. But there's our pizza crust made, and the parchment paper that I had bought, by the way, I got it off of Amazon. They were already pre-cut to fit the sheeting pans, which was working out great. Then I popped it in the oven at 400 for about 12 to 15 minutes. And when it came out of the oven, there it is right there. And then it was just over the original video explaining to you what it looked like. So now it's time to put our toppings on. I couldn't think of any of your favorite toppings. So my question of the day is, what's your favorite pizza toppings that you like when you have pizza? Anyways, I was just using about a half a cup. I'm just eyeballing everything with a spoon. I have one of those big spoons that you eat with, and then I was just spreading around the pizza sauce around the almond flour crust. Now I have a number of different videos on pizza and from different other YouTubers, and I have a lot of people that ask me, well, where do you get all these recipes from? I just do internet search, Google search, and that sort of thing. Now I'm just adding the mozzarella cheese again, just eyeballing it. But if you're really, really counting your macros, you can just measure it out through a measuring cup or put it on a scale. And I have a nice gram scale that I had bought back ago there that I use quite often, and I really love it. It's got settings on it, so it takes a lot of work out of guessing, but I just set it to whatever I want to measure it out for, that I'll use my scale that way. So anyways, we're going to get ready to add the toppings onto the pizza, and now I'm adding some frozen onions and I believe peppers I've added to this. And if you love pepperoni, you can put pepperoni, anchovies, whatever you want. I don't like anchovies. The anchovies are too salty, and the reason why you see like a little bit of a frost on my peppers there because they were frozen. So there you have our final product that came out of the oven. Now let's see how it's going to cut with the cutting wheel. As you can see, I'm cutting it up in fourths, and then I'm going to just show you what it looks like through a piece over the video. But anyways, again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and check out Max's Boot Camp if you're serious about losing weight. And then you can see it really held its shape. But anyways, again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video.